guys doing today? Today's video we're going to be talking about someone got infected on my school, but I don't think I'm going to be filming this whole video here on my backyard, so you guys might be able to see. I'm actually getting ready to head out and film a video about my uncle's BMW. I hope you guys enjoyed the previous video. It was a really dope video. I have been to a car meet before, not like something really special or big. This is probably by far the biggest car meet I have ever went to. But with that being said, let's start talking about what's wrong and what is happening on my life. So to make this video as dramatic as it almost is, let's get some dramatic shots. Oh damn, I forgot to walk in. Alrighty, so we're gonna be in fact talking about someone actually got the COVID-19 on my school, which is pretty interesting. It wasn't on my school though. You know, my sister's there obviously, but thank God it wasn't like on Monday and Tuesday. It was actually on Thursday and Fridays. So you guys know, by all this pandemic that's happening, not all the students are together. So basically what they did, they just separate half of the whole school goes Monday and Tuesday, the other half goes Thursday and Friday. So what ended up happening was that my sister received an email from a teacher saying that someone got the COVID. With that being said, I don't know, it's just really weird to think like what would have happened if my sister was on school on Thursday and Fridays, and not even that, but there's other kids, and imagine if that same kid who got the COVID actually touched other stuff, or that other student touched the same stuff that the person had the COVID. There's probably more kids infected on the school. We don't really know. You know, this is just me guessing. We don't really know what happened. I'm not gonna get into detail, but yeah, it is really crazy. There was times where I was like, not even caring, or care wasn't not even be careful. I was almost arguing my parents to wear my own mask. Now I'm the one who's arguing with everybody to wear their mask, because you know, if you're having social distance, okay, if you're, let's say, 10 feet of distance and you don't have your mask on, that's alright, because the spit will not go 10 feet of distance. It will not reach you if you're 10 feet of distance. So now if the person is really close to you, you must wear a mask, because obviously if you're only 1 foot of distance, that spit will hit you. And yeah, you know, I'm not no scientific expert, but you know, there's things that I know, and you know, just it's worth having social distance. It's worth wearing your mask when you need it. There's people out there that even fight for wearing their own mask, which is kind of like insane, because they just don't care about their lives. Basically, that's what they're telling us by not wearing their own mask. I know there's a lot of haters that will disagree with me, that don't even care about all this pandemic. You know, I shouldn't even making a video about this, but with that being said, I'm gonna end this really short vlog here. Well, not even a vlog, it's just like 2, 3, 4 minutes long video, I don't even know. But with that being said, I'm gonna end today's video here. I hope you guys enjoyed the previous video. Like I said at the beginning of the video, it was a really interesting video. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you're subbing for the first time and you haven't already, and you feel like you kind of want to. Damn. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.